Here in this tutorial, we are coming to learn how to do frequency separation with a different technique. We are not going to use the normal technique that we use. We are going to use some amazing technique to retouch this picture here. First of all, what you have to do is to duplicate the picture right here by clicking on Ctrl+G twice. Name the top layer high and the down layer low. You can name it, you can give it any name that you want, any name that you like here. So after you finish creating the two layers, uncheck the higher layer and choose the lower layer and go to filter, choose blur and Gaussian blur. Here we don't have to give it a higher radius because we need to keep some textures here. So we are going to choose where we have a lot of textures on the face. So I'm going to use 9. Now we come here to choose the top layer and go to image, choose apply image. Here we need to choose lower layer, which is here, and choose subtract. Our opacity should be 100. Our preserve transparency should be unchecked, max should be unchecked, scale should be 2, and offset should be 128. Make sure to check the preview and then check the invert. So you hit OK. Now we have to change the blending mode to linear light. Now hit Ctrl and highlight together and hit Ctrl+G to group the two layers together. Now here is the action. Make sure choose the lower layer, choose your lasso tool and draw a circle on the face. Let's go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur, and this time we are going to choose a higher radius, 30. Then we choose another place on the face and we choose so this is what we are doing. Come here to choose the face, to circle the face. Go use our 30. We are still using our Gaussian blur 30 radius. So do that, choose here and we select Gaussian blur 30. It's okay. And you choose the nose. No, you choose the nose and we give it 30. You see, you can see the nose is flat, so we need to right click and choose fade, Gaussian blur, give it 50% opacity. Then let's choose this side, give it blur. Let's choose this side and give it blur mode. Let's do this side on the face, give it blur mode. Now what we do is to select the hand, give it blur, choose the hand like this and give it blur. Let's choose the hand, give it blur. Let's choose the hand, let's go to the body also and choose it here, give it blur. No, you don't have to choose, so we give it blur. So now you can see before and after, before and after. After you have done all this, make sure we are about to remove some pimples particles on the body that we need to repair. So what we have to do is just choose our higher layer here and go on the tool and choose our clone stamp tool. Then on your keyboard, Alt, and you hold the left side of the mouse and you take it off. You take repair the skin. So you repair the skin. This simple trick that we repair the skin. Repair the skin. Come to the hand, also remove all the skin product here. So now you can see the picture is very cool. If you check before and after, we are not done with it. Let's make the picture pop up. So what we are going to do is go to here, choose levels. On levels, make sure you bring the levels, you check the levels, choose the layer and Control plus I to invert, choose your brush, give a bit higher, small, paint on it, paint on the picture. We are going to make the picture pop up very nicely, picture will pop up. So now you can see before, after. We are not done. We are going to create another level here and hold Alt on the keyboard and also left click and drag it on it. Okay. Make sure you hit Control plus I to invert on the keyboard. Choose here and make sure you bring you check the keyboard, check it. So you can see before, after. So you can see this is a simple, amazing trick to retouch your portrait or your picture. Yeah, in case you like the video, please subscribe to the channel so that anytime we upload any video, you'll get yours. Thank you for watching.